At the Benjamin Franklin Institute of Technology, the faculty and staff are committed to helping you succeed. We understand that you are ambitious and that you have set a goal to earn a technical degree that will lead to a meaningful career. As you strive to reach this goal, it is important that you understand and adhere to the academic policies of the college. One of the most important is our academic honesty policy. This video will give you a brief overview of the policy, illustrate some possible violations, and outline best practices to avoid violating the policy. Let's start by reviewing the basic policy. Honesty in all academic work is expected of every student at all times. This means each individual does his or her own work without assistance from other sources on any assignment or exam. You are unable to learn what you need to know if you do not do your own work. What types of behavior might violate the academic honesty policy?
Don't cheat. Don't copy off another student's work, and don't use any book, notes, or electronics on tests or assignments when you have not been given permission to do so.
Plagiarizing is when you steal another person's ideas and pass them off as your own, either intentionally or by mistake. Cutting and pasting information from the internet without citation or paraphrasing information you found somewhere else without proper citation is plagiarism.
Collusion is when two or more students work together on a test or assignment without permission from their instructor. Make sure if you're working in a study group that everyone is completing their own work and successfully learning the material.
Don't use electronic devices without the permission of your instructor. During tests, all unapproved electronic devices, including cell phones and calculators, must be secured in a closed container and should be turned off.
Other violations of the academic honesty policy include submitting the same paper in more than one course without permission of the instructor, lying about why you missed an assignment or a test, claiming you turned in an assignment when you know you didn't, falsifying documents or records such as grades, reports, or transcripts, and failing to observe the rules of academic integrity established by a faculty member in a specific course.
Violations of the academic honesty policy are taken very seriously. All violations will be reported to BFIT's Assistant Dean of Students. Depending on the student's conduct history and the severity of the violation, the case may be referred to the Student Conduct Board. Consequences for violations of the academic honesty policy range from failing an assignment to suspension or expulsion from the college. For example, a first violation of the academic honesty policy will result in a meeting with the Assistant Dean of Students and most likely a failing grade for the assignment. A second violation, even if it's in a different course, will most likely result in you receiving a failing grade for that course and possibly land you on academic probation. A third violation will most likely result in you receiving a failing grade for that course and possible suspension or expulsion from the college. Luckily, there are things you can do as a student to make it much less likely that you will violate the academic honesty policy.
Be prepared. Make sure you leave enough time to study for exams and to complete your assignments. If you think you're going to have a problem finishing an assignment, talk to your professor ahead of time.
Do your own work. Don't copy anyone else's work, and don't let anyone else copy your work. When working in groups, make sure everyone is doing their own work. Don't use software or online tools that generate the answers or do the work for you.
When doing research, take good notes on your sources so you can give proper credit to the author. Know how to use MLA format to cite things correctly. Using a citation generator like EasyBib or MyBib will make this a lot easier.
Don't panic. BFIT has resources to help you if you're struggling academically. Talk to your professor, your advisor, a success coach, or a tutor if you need help. You can also visit the library for help with research and citation. Everyone who works here wants to help you succeed.
Being academically honest is a reflection of your personal ethics, your character, and your integrity. When you graduate, employers will expect you to have the necessary knowledge and skills to be a competent, safe, and reliable employee. If you obtained your degree through academically dishonest practices, you will not be able to meet these standards and likely will not be able to succeed in your field. Remember also that you are an ambassador for BFIT and that acting dishonestly could reflect badly on the college as a whole, limiting opportunities for other BFIT graduates in the future. In conclusion, be prepared, do your own work, ask for help if you are struggling, and you will avoid violating the academic honesty policy and be well on your way to a successful career at BFIT.